So we've been working with Tellabs for about 5 years now. So at first we had some testbed type stuff, and our primary focus was implementing Wi-Fi over OLAN, and that was to decrease the number of closets and kind of aggregate it back to one location to manage it. Over time, we saw benefits in kind of consolidating a lot of different components. We have passenger information displays that are spread throughout a station. We have adjacent rail yards in our main location, so we wanted to bring back some Wi-Fi elements from there into a centralized managed closet or network infrastructure. We have a business environment and we have an industrial environment. And the industrial environment in the rail yards creates some challenges in distribution. We have trains rolling through these yards, so in lieu of going with a traditional method where we would have these little boxes spread all over the place with components that were prone to failure or lack of maintenance, or I forgot they were there, we're able to take again and put a small, push the Ethernet port out, which is a benefit of OLAN, to the device, power it, bring it all back to one spot, and then from a troubleshooting perspective, manage it out of one place and eliminate all those pieces out in the field that would break. In New York, what used to be the post office across the street is becoming a new train hall. We're deploying that 100% GPON. It's a passive deployment in there, and it's actually being run out of New York Penn. And we're going to be doing that same model in Baltimore, in Philly. We're in the process right now of deploying the 248s, which are 10 gig backhauls to a lot of these closets, and we'll be putting the camera network on that. So the 48 port ONT, we can go and adapt and reuse some copper elements that are out there and save the cost of having to redo that. We then started taking over some corporate security elements, so we saw benefit in putting all the cameras on there. Since most of these things operate on power over Ethernet, we leveraged the OLAN, which had that capability, and coupled it with another technology called digital electric. And we were able to take and bring that back to one manageable location and create a much more reliable network in a consolidated format, and we get some benefits from that, which is cost savings. We've definitely seen 3 projects that would have been, let's say, $4 million reduced down to $1 million proposition. We've reduced the number of people required to manage that, and then allowed the people that were responsible for their business line or that camera, that AP, to focus more on their part of the business so they could do a better job or be a bit more innovative. So I think those are quantifiable benefits.